welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from VSC Silk Sarees. In this video, we are going to see a most inquired and the most demanded design, which is a Rangoli design in Handloom Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. We have many different colors restocked in this video. So we are going to see all these colors in this video. So please don't skip this video. Watch this video fully for all the color combinations. We have a beautiful color combinations in this design. This is the most inquired design. So please do watch this video fully. Before that, if you're first time watching our channel, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll get regular notifications whenever we are uploading fresh collections. This is the first saree, a beautiful violet with yellow combination. A rich pallu in Rangoli design in gold zari work. And all over the saree you have a beautiful Rangoli buttas in both gold and silver zari woven alternatively. And you will get a tissue border on both sides. This is the back side of the saree. As you can see, the Rangoli buttas comes all over the saree in both gold and silver zari with both sides tissue border. And next is a borderless design, a brown with pink combination, a same Rangoli pattern. A rich pallu in gold zari, and all over the saree you have a Rangoli pattern in gold and silver zari woven alternatively. This is the borderless saree. So you have both borderless and a tissue border in this video. All are Rangoli patterns. This is the back side of the saree. As you can see, the pattern, Rangoli pattern comes all over the saree. And next is a beautiful baby pink with wine combination. A very beautiful color combination. This is a borderless saree. So all these are double warp sarees, premium quality silk, which comes with a SILKMARK certified tag. So if you want to book any of these sarees, do take screenshot and text us on the WhatsApp. A WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. You can also share the screenshot with the link given in the description box. And next is a blue with pink combination. So all are very good quality, double warp quality silk. So please don't miss these collections. Book your favorite saree. We have very limited stock in each of these colors. All these sarees comes with a SILKMARK certified tag. And you can book it from anywhere. We are shipping all over India and we do have international shipping as well. So please don't worry, you can book it from anywhere. Do take screenshot and text us on the WhatsApp for booking. This is the tissue border. So you have both tissue border and borderless in this video. This is the most demanded saree in our collections, which is very fast moving nowadays. So please don't miss these collections. All are very beautiful colors. So we do have video call facility as well. You can contact us for video call facility if you have any doubts in the saree and its colors. So our shop is located in Sirumohai, Coimbatore district, Tamil Nadu. You can visit us directly as well for more collections. Please do call us and visit us directly. Also, we are giving for wholesalers and bulk orders. So for wholesalers who are watching this video, do contact us and visit us directly. We do also have reselling groups. So resellers also you can contact us. A beautiful green with beige combination this is. So please do watch this video fully for all the colors and book your favorite saree. And also share this video with your friends and family if you like our collections. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.